the devil away. One prayer, will keep the devil away. Through my prayer, God bless me with power and my voice. I open my third eye, make me spy in my future like a sniper. So despite of the fighter, he must show me say no worry, me life so nice. I've been through that way, so I guess that I am a survivor. Him say no watch the wicked people and fake friends from China. Them now have no third eye for see the cobweb and spider. But me see it and shit for my goal like a striker. And if you're there, he not taxing and you hear my song I play. Please pray for the driver, pray for yourself and the passenger. You're there beside the cause, but energy out there. All kinda, and a prayer are the remedy. From your prayer, God, we get rid of the viper, please. Before you go up on the road, put on your helmet, bike rider, and just say one prayer, one prayer. There, will keep the devil away.